Looking for the best graphics card for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 graphics card that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a graphics card that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended graphics card. Number 1 on the list is PNY Jeffers GTX 1660 TXLR8 Gaming OC. The graphics card manufactured by PNY is based on 16nm FinFET process technology, which means the GDDR5 VRAM memory module was also developed at that time. The chip uses a total of 2304 CUDA cores with an overclocking potential to 1936 MHz base clock rate and supports up to 8 GB 128-bit memory amount, despite being equipped with only a 3 GB version and located over double data rate 4 DDR4 interface. Memory frequencies are set to 1650 MHz and 8000 MHz, respectively. The GPU is designated as GP106-400A with 4th generation graphics core next architecture featuring DirectX 12 API support, NVIDIA GameWorks and DirectX 3D Blu-ray movie playback capability using native decoder, Ultra HD graphics capable of supporting more graphical resolutions than 1080p Full HD+, including 2160x1200 at 60Hz resolution for a smooth gaming experience. Upgrading to the next graphics card series, NVIDIA Turing, or AMD Vega, will give you a better visual experience as they feature more than twice of CUDA cores, a higher frequency clock, and a much larger memory amount. The GPU should have 8 slots on your motherboard, providing enough space for 2 dual-slot graphics cards. Such vertical placements on the Core i7 LGA1151 socket platform is recommended. Second on the list is MSI RTX 3090 Gaming X Trio. Similar to the first one, it is manufactured in 16nm FinFET process technology to maintain its stylish looks. It uses a total of 1568 CUDA cores with an overclocking potential of 4400 MHz base clock. Unlike earlier RTX cards that require cooling fans, this version does not need any above 13 dB a CPU fan, as it already features a 12 decibels cooler with dual fan design implementation and optimized airflow intake configuration. Though the clock speed is not as high, it enables the GPU to perform above expected in extreme high scenarios. The display resolution is set to 1080p Full HD+, producing a sharp screen quality and impressive visual fidelity with improved color mixing capabilities while watching movies, especially in 4K high-Q mode, benefiting the users who already possess a decent gaming PC by eliminating its overpopulation issues. NVIDIA GeForce Experiencer AMD Radeon Wattman software can be used for optimal GPU performance and application responsiveness. Number 3 on the list is AMD Radeon RX 6800. This is a functional green version from AMD and uses a slightly different architecture to deliver improved performance using 3 next-generation 29Gbps GDDR5 memory technology for gaming effects. The current clock speed stands at 1248 MHz base, but with a 28nm manufacturing process which offers 10% higher calculation capabilities as compared to the previous generation counterpart that was based on their 14nm. GPU clock speed 1000 MHz plus 14%. The display resolution can reach 1920x1080 in Full HD class. The display quality is maintained at the same level of performance, offering a good color contrast resolution that still maintains clear color and high-clarity dynamics, especially in demanding scenes such as HDR or special lighting events. The AMD Radeon RX 6800 graphics card has cutting-edge architecture that supports advanced technologies including DirectX 12 for unlimited gaming opportunities with up to third-party applications, True Audio XR headphone technology, which delivers true immersive sound for virtual reality, and HD 3D technology to support a new form of viewing as high-definition content becomes more widely distributed with growing capabilities. and also supports AMD FreeSync technology that delivers clear, lag-free imagery by sensing the GPU display refresh rates. Number 4 on the list is AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. This is a new addition from AMD, and this has been introduced as the latest graphics card for mainstream gaming. It delivers high performance at affordable pricing. The 6700 XT is based on GCN architecture that delivers great 4th-generation core architecture, GCN3, which makes the overall computing experience faster than any other single GPU solution available in the market to date. Its shader processor can effectively improve utilization of the GPU clock, which results in delivering a more efficient gaming experience. It supports full DirectX 12 and also AMD's LiquidVR for next-generation capabilities. AMD FreeSync technology, combining the high-performance display controller with a compatible GPU. This technology allows both the SoC and monitor to dynamically change frame rates based on frame rate target control policies set in the Radeon settings. This feature is aimed toward providing smoother game visuals by sensing the previous generation, non-natively supported, frame rate with the monitor refresh rate, thereby reducing or eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. Number 5 on the list is Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070. The Nvidia GeForce RTX series is the company's new disruptive technology that was introduced to make it a leader in premium PC gaming. With performance improvements of up to 2x over previous generation graphics cards and massive memory growth from 8GB DDR6, RTX GPUs deliver arguably the fastest single GPU on any console or platform bracket today for demanding tasks such as virtual reality, VR, gaming. The Founders Edition also serves well with games like GTA V, Battlefield 5, and many more. The RTX 2080 is the fastest day one card on market, a beautiful gaming graphics card for all Nvidia 10 series users compared to the AMD RX series. It does have some limitations in games, but overall it's a great option for gamers looking for an upgrade from a last-gen GPU solution or who just want extremely fast VR performance with no compromises but at the price of older models without gamer race features like Nvidia G-Sync, Nvidia Optics and so on. Just now is a list of 5 best graphics card that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.